Here's how you switch Siri over to use Apple Intelligence. It's Apple's new AI system that makes Siri a lot smarter and more useful, but there are a few things you need to have in place first. First off, it only works on certain iPhones, specifically the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. If you've got anything else, even the regular iPhone 15, it won't support Apple Intelligence. Next, your phone has to be updated to iOS 18. To do that, go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install iOS 18 if it's available. Once that's done, go back to Settings, then General, and tap on Accessibility. You should see a new section called Apple Intelligence. Tap it, and there'll be a little intro screen explaining the features. Just hit Continue and follow the prompts. Now let's hook it up with Siri. Head into your Siri and search settings. You should see the option to enable Apple Intelligence from there. If you don't see it yet, there might be a button that says Request Access. Tap that and wait for it to be approved. Also, your region has to be set to the United States for this to work. To check that, go to Settings, General Language and Region, and make sure it says United States. Then make sure Siri's language is set to English, United States too. You'll find that under Siri and Search. Once that's all set, you're good to go. Siri will now use Apple Intelligence to give you faster, more natural answers and new AI-powered features built right into your iPhone.